Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Homeopathy Super Session by Dr. Jacos. Today I'll be in the last part, that is part 5. I'll be telling you something about Dr. Binoy Kumar Sarkar. He was born on 27th December 1901, died on 6th of February 1981. Well, Dr. B K Sarkar was born on 27th December 1901. His maternal grandfather was an allopathic physician in the BN Railway. He had 5 brothers, and all of them were highly educated. He was a renowned teacher in homeopathic philosophy at Calcutta Homeopathic Medical College. He graduated in medicine from the Calcutta University in 1925. He was appointed house physician to the Carmichael Medical College Hospital, known as R.G. Carr Medical College Hospital, which is now known as R.G. Carr Medical College Hospital, during the year 1925 to 1927. He stood first in his MD examination and was honored with gold medal in physiology and medicine, honor certificates in physiology and mathematics also, and silver medal in physics and botany for standing first in each of the subjects. Education. Through his academic career, he secured many scholarships and prizes. They were the Agore Prakash Scholarship, Nandalal Scholarship, Rakhal Ghosh Prize. Now, conversion to homeopathy. He started his private allopathic practice at Calcutta in 1928. He also joined the Merchant Navy as a physician on the ship. He came under the influence of Dr. Sanant Ghosh's father, who was a homeopath and a close family friend. Though they could not agree on medical matters, the cures which Dr. Ghosh obtained with homeopathy could not be overlooked. So he started to read homeopathic books. In 1952, he appeared for his DMS examination, received gold medal in his DMS examination and honors in organon subject. From 1935 onwards, he had served in many homeopathic institutions in different capacities. 1936, he was a professor of homeopathic mathematics and organon of the Bengal Allen Homeopathic Medical College. 1948, principal of Dr. D.N. Day Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Calcutta. 1944 to 1960, principal of the Midnapur Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital. 1950 to 1960, he was the chairman of the homeopathic state faculty for 3 terms. He also served as a member in different committees appointed by the Government of India, namely the Homeopathic Advisory Committee and the Homeopathic Education Subcommittee. The Homeopathic Subcommittee of the Drug Control Technical Advisory Board and chairman of the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Committee. Was a top contributor to many homeopathic journals published throughout the world. He was the ex-editor of Hahnemann, a homeopathic monthly journal in Bengal, and the Hahnemannian Clinics. He also edited for some time 2 other homeopathic monthly journals, namely the Homeopathic Herald and the Homeopathic Chikitsa in Bengali. Other important works worth mentioning were a critical commentary on the 5th edition of Organon, which you all must have read. Dr. Sarkar came into commentary on the 5th edition of Organon, Essentials of Homeopathic Philosophy, Homeopathic Prakasana in Bengali, drug relationships up to date with nosodes, and essays on homeopathy. The totality of symptoms, the art, different grades of truth and reality, holism and homeopathy, casual medicine and homeopathy, individuality and personality. Allergy and homeopathy, anaphylaxis, immunity and homeopathy, the modern concept of psychosomatic medicine and homeopathy both as science and art, the place of disease diagnosis in the homeopathic system of medicine. Death, he passed away on 6th February 1981 at the ripe age of 80 years. So if you want to know more about everything what I've said, I've written a book which I'm sure most of you must be knowing. The book's name is Homeopathic World, which includes the history of medicine. At present, the 6th edition is over. The 7th will be published soon. You can, if you want, interested in buying the book, you can buy it from the National Book Depot, opposite Wadia Children's Hospital, Parel, Mumbai. This is the phone number given here, or you can also email them, or you can buy it online on Amazon.in, or also on Flipkart. It is available. So you can have more details about it in this book itself. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed all my videos on homeopathy super session on homeopathy super sessions by Dr. Jagos. As you all know, the channel related exclusively to Organon. It's easy to understand and remember. I've tried to cover up all the important topics of the UG and PG syllabus. It has to date 196 videos, important tips how to crack the examination, Viva question, theory questions, and much. So if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe and give your comments. Thank you very much.